Well, I show you these two pieces of Shelley bone china, period 1923 to around 1940, late 1930s anyway. Let's show you the china mark. Late Foley, Shelley, banner marks, as you can see, or shield marks, England, 8912 is the pattern reference. Not actually in the Shelley catalogue of known designs that's been documented to date, but hopefully it'll be added once they see this. Lovely rope woven or twisted handle with some nice gilt detailing around here. The milk jug is the only piece in the whole set that's showing some signs of vintage, where you can see there's a little bit of wear on the gilt around the mid band. It's an unusual urn-shaped pedestal-footed milk jug which narrows to the rim. There's no damage on it, it's just gilt wear, as you can see around here, and that's the only piece out of the whole set that we've listed that's showing those signs. So obviously somebody used the milk jug quite extensively, and the other pieces sat on display. This is the sugar bowl, lovely open bowl, pedestal footed, good gilt on this one. It's got this irregular scalloping or indent around the rim that lines up with the pattern. It's a hand coloured transfer design, and again marked on the base Shelley, late Foley. This one didn't have the pattern reference put on it, so it's a good job it came with all the other pieces in the design. So two pieces, we're selling them individually. We've got a lot of trios in this design and two cake plates coming online. No teapot, unfortunately, as is so often the case with these almost antique tea sets. I mean, this could be antique, this one, only date range from 1920s through to around 1940s. So vintage turning antique, shall we say. A very pretty little rose garland design. Both these pieces, we'll put links in the description below on YouTube, taking you through to the website listings. And if you like the teacups in this design on the trios, they're really, really pretty. Do have a search on the pattern reference, should pull up all the Shelley pieces currently we have on catalogue in this design. Thanks for watching.